Hi everyone, and welcome to our podcast episode with the Pharmaceutical Clinician Hub, bridging the gap between clinical medicine and the pharmaceutical industry. Now, for today's podcast, we're going to be looking at a recent Nature paper by Matthew Hutson, where the focus was looking at how artificial intelligence is being utilized to help in the clinical trial design process. To begin with, this paper focuses on an initial theme in terms of trial design, expanding on what dose would be beneficial of the drug and what target population. They highlight expert work by Jimeng Sung, where they've used machine learning algorithms to predict a drug's success by analyzing the molecule in depth, by also looking at the disease state or disease condition in depth, and the eligibility criteria. The next theme highlighted in this paper is looking at how artificial intelligence is being used by experts to extract and analyze all the relevant trial summaries to look at the trial design process, gaps in the design process, and the potential outcomes. And there is ongoing work, particularly by Michael Snyder's team in Stanford, in this regard. A third theme in this paper comes courtesy of James Zhu, also at Stanford, where he and his team have used artificial intelligence to minimize the strict eligibility criteria without causing harm. And the reason for doing this is because that most trials, as we know, are unable to recruit the desired number of potential participants. Charles Fisher and his team are also looking at how digital twins can be used to reduce the number of patients needed for a trial, and this is a very exciting area of research. A further theme focuses on the dropout rate for trials, which remains a particular concern. However, current work at Novartis has been looking at how artificial intelligence can better understand the reasons for dropout and so intervene early on. I'd encourage everyone to read this paper from Nature by Matthew Hutson for all the great insights and further in-depth learning. And that is available at nature.com. Thank you for listening.